In the heart of a small coastal village, where the salty breeze danced with the fragrance of blooming flowers, lived Alex, a passionate musician with dreams that resonated in every note. Fate, however, had a different plan, entwining Alex's destiny with the enigmatic Maya. On a serendipitous evening at the village's bustling night market, Alex's melody caught the attention of Maya. Her eyes, like windows to a hidden world, reflected an understanding of the music that transcended the ordinary. Despite their worlds colliding through music, Alex and Maya seldom exchanged words. Their connection was an unspoken symphony, where glances conveyed emotions that notes could not capture. The village murmured about the mysterious duo, their story echoing in the breeze. One moonlit night, as Alex played a hauntingly beautiful tune, Maya joined in with a voice that seemed to carry the weight of centuries. Villagers gathered, enchanted by a duet that felt like an echo from another era, a melody that stirred ancient memories. In pursuit of the village's history, Alex discovered a dusty journal revealing a tale of love, separation, and a promise made by a musician long gone. The echoes of the past resonated in Maya's voice, linking their stories across time. As Alex and Maya explored the village's hidden corners, they stumbled upon an ancient archway, adorned with musical notes. Legend spoke of it being a portal connecting two souls destined to create eternal melodies. As they stepped through the archway, the village transformed into a timeless realm where their love story unfolded across centuries. Each note they played echoed through time, a testament to a love that transcended the boundaries of mortal existence.